In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coursera on your laptop without the official app. Since there isn't a native Coursera app for Windows or Mac OS, you have two simple options. Use the website in your browser or run the Android app through an emulator. I'll walk you through both so you can choose what fits your needs best. The most direct method is to use Coursera.org in your web browser. Open your preferred browser and type in the website and sign in. From there, you can search for courses, enroll, watch lectures, complete quizzes, and submit assignments, everything you'd expect from the platform. Video playback controls, captions, and transcript features work smoothly on the site, and you can adjust quality if your connection fluctuates. For convenience, you can keep Coursera open in a dedicated window and maximize it for a focused, app-like feel. If you're multitasking, try using split screen so you can take notes alongside the video. This method is lightweight, reliable, and doesn't require installing anything extra, making it the best choice for most people. If you specifically want the mobile app experience on your laptop, use an Android emulator like BlueStacks. An emulator creates a virtual Android environment on your computer so you can install and run the Coursera Android app. After installing the emulator, open it and sign in to the Google Play Store. Search for the Coursera app, install it, and then launch it inside the emulator. Sign in with your account and you'll get the familiar mobile interface, including features that mirror the app on a phone or tablet. Keep in mind that emulators can be resource intensive. For smoother performance, close other heavy programs and make sure you have enough free storage and memory. If you prefer keyboard controls, many emulators let you map keys for navigation, and you can resize the emulator window to suit your workspace. So, which should you pick? If you want the quickest, cleanest setup with dependable performance, use Coursera in your browser. If you need the Android app layout or want to keep your learning environment consistent with your phone, the emulator route is a solid alternative. Either way, you can fully access your courses, track your progress, and keep learning from your laptop without needing an official desktop app. That's it. Choose the method that matches your workflow, and you'll be up and running in minutes. Happy learning.